Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. My name is Recaptcha. If you're here for the first time, like this video and help me grow this YouTube channel. Now, let's get into today's video. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com. For a very long time, I have been receiving several spam comments on my blog, and I didn't know how to deal with them apart from marking them as spam or deleting them. This was not until my hosting service provider sent me a warning that the send email service associated with one of my domains has been disabled. This meant that I could not send or receive emails on email accounts linked to that particular domain. For example, connect@recaptcha.com. In this video, I'll share with you two ways that I used to resolve this issue. Upon investigation to this problem, I realized that the spam emails and comments was originating from my blog. I have some knowledge on WordPress and I can do basic edits. However, I could not handle this, so I hired a WordPress expert to look into the problem and fix it. It's cheaper this way and less stressful. The common reasons associated to a send email SMTP service deactivations are usually the following. If account limits are reached. Number 2, due to mass mailing. Number 3, if majority of emails are subject to spam content. So how do you identify spam comments and emails? When you post a blog post on your WordPress, you have the choice of either enabling or disabling comments from readers. When you enable, you give readers a chance to comment and share their thoughts about your blog post. What many bloggers don't know is that the comment section of a WordPress blog, when enabled, is vulnerable and subject to spam posts and comments. As a new blogger, you will be thrilled when you receive many comments on your blog posts. A lot of spam comments are positive. The comment authors say how much they were happy to read your posts without particularly pointing on anything you mentioned on the blog post. Additionally, if you are keen, you will notice that they carry links to either pornographic sites or Viagra affiliate links. These are usually products not in any way associated with your site. Here is an example of such a comment. What spam bots do? Spam bots are capable of sending mass emails through your contact us form on your blog. You can wake up to several emails from different email addresses but same IP location. These emails comes with different subject lines. For example, Viagra can save your marriage. It's really annoying if you're a person who means business. So how do you get rid of bots spamming your comment section and sending you spam emails via the contact us form on your website? Here are two ways. Integrate Recaptcha. Recaptcha uses some simple script to stop spam bots from abusing the comment section of your blog post. Also, it's capable of stopping spam emails via the contacts form on your blog or website. It is one of the easiest and common ways to protect your forms from spam abuse. Most CAPTCHA solutions provide an audible version ensuring that even the blind people can complete the action. Google Recaptcha is a free tool that you can quickly add to your forms. If you are new to WordPress, you can engage a freelance WordPress expert to help you out on this. Number 2, integrate Honeypot Fields. Honeypot is a field within a form that users don't see due to Java or CSS script. While legit users can't see, spam bots do. Spam bots will search for comment elements like labels and input value. If Honeypot section is filled, the email is marked as spam. To add Honeypot to your blog, again, I suggest that you engage a WordPress expert. Alternatively, you can search on YouTube for videos that shows you how to do it. It's important to note that there are many freelance WordPress experts out there who are ready to help you out on this at the price of a donut and coffee. I mean, you can afford to pay one without waiting to save money for it. Finally, as a caution, it would help to change your email login passwords and double check where you have your domain's mailboxes connected. This is besides performing virus scan on your device to eliminate the possibility of your email account being used to send spam. And that's all from me here. Do you get a lot of spam comments and emails from your blog? Let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com.